At Lance Construction, what we build may vary, but one thing remains the same. There is always a story. Over the years, Lance has been fortunate to partner with Sentara RMH Medical Center on numerous construction projects throughout the valley. Most recently, we completed renovations at their wellness center in Harrisonburg. This work allowed them to expand their family area immensely and also provide seniors with additional accessibility features, both of which were needed in order to cater to the specific needs of their members.
These renovations allowed for a significant upgrade to our locker rooms, which are an important amenity because they ensure our members can come and go conveniently without changing the structure of their day. And the quality of these spaces now aligns with the rest of the center. We've received great feedback so far, and we're thankful for this project that has helped us in continuing our goal of offering classes and activities for all ages and life stages here at the Sentara RMH Wellness Center.
Join us again soon for Building Our Communities, presented by Lance Construction.